Hello English learners and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to master some of the most common English verbs by talking about something we all do, our daily routines and weekend hobbies. This will make learning super easy and fun. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about weekdays. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I don't jump out of bed immediately. I stretch my arms and legs first. Then I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I look in the mirror. I pick up my toothbrush and squeeze some toothpaste onto it. Then I brush my teeth. I brush up and down and side to side for 2 minutes. After that, I rinse my mouth with water. Next, I wash my face. I splash warm water on my face, apply some soap, and then rinse it all off. I feel so fresh. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I open the fridge and take out eggs and milk. I also grab a pan from the cupboard. I place the pan on the stove and turn on the heat. I crack the eggs into a bowl, pour in a little milk, and whisk them together. Then I pour the mixture into the hot pan. I cook the eggs for a few minutes until they are fluffy. While the eggs cook, I put 2 slices of bread into the toaster. Pop, the toast is ready. I put the scrambled eggs on my toast. Sometimes I also brew a cup of coffee. I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning. I sit at the table and eat my breakfast. It tastes delicious. Once I finish breakfast, it's time to get dressed for work. I open my closet and choose my clothes for the day. I usually wear a shirt and pants. I put on my clothes and then I find my shoes. I sit down to tie my shoelaces. I check my bag to make sure I have everything: my laptop, my notebook, and my keys. I grab my bag, say goodbye to my apartment, and lock the door behind me. Now for the commute. I live in the city, so I usually take the subway to work. I walk to the subway station, which is just a few blocks away. I go down the stairs and swipe my card to enter. I wait on the platform for the train to arrive. When the train comes, the doors open and I get on. I usually find a seat and listen to music or a podcast during the ride. The train stops at several stations before I reach my destination. I get off the train and walk the rest of the way to my office building. I ride the elevator up to my floor. My workday starts at 9 a.m. I work as a graphic designer. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. First, I check my emails and reply to any urgent messages. Then I look at my to-do list for the day. I open the design software and start to work on my projects. I create logos, design web pages, and edit photos. I often collaborate with my colleagues. We talk about our projects and share ideas. Around 1 p.m., I take a break for lunch. I usually eat with my coworkers in the office kitchen. We chat and laugh while we eat. After lunch, I continue to work until 5 p.m. At the end of the day, I save all my files and shut down my computer. I pack my bag and leave the office. After work, I like to exercise. Exercising helps me relax and stay healthy. 3 times a week, I go to the gym. I change into my workout clothes and start with some cardio. I run on the treadmill for about 20 minutes. Running makes my heart beat faster. After running, I lift weights. I use dumbbells to strengthen my arms and shoulders. I lift them up and down slowly. It's hard work, but it feels great. I always stretch after my workout to cool down. When I get home in the evening, I feel tired but happy. The first thing I do is cook dinner. Sometimes I prepare something simple like pasta or a big salad. I chop vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers and mix them all together. After dinner, it's time to relax. I change into my comfortable pajamas. I might watch a show on Netflix. I sit on my sofa, wrapped in a blanket, and just unwind. Other nights, I prefer to read a book. I curl up in my favorite armchair and escape into a different world. I usually read for about an hour before I feel sleepy, then I go to bed. I turn off the lights, get under the covers, and fall asleep. Now, let's talk about the best part of the week, the weekend. Weekends are different. I sleep in a little later. maybe until 9 a.m. On Saturday mornings, I often go hiking. I love to connect with nature. I drive to a nearby trail. I put on my hiking boots, grab my water bottle, and start to walk. I follow the path through the forest. I listen to the birds sing and feel the sun on my skin. I climb hills and enjoy the beautiful views from the top. Hiking is fantastic exercise and it clears my mind. On Saturday afternoons, I sometimes meet my friends. We decide on a place to go. Maybe we visit a cool coffee shop downtown, or we go to the park for a picnic. We talk about our week, tell jokes, and just enjoy each other's company. We often try new restaurants for dinner. I love to explore different cuisines and taste new foods. Spending time with friends makes me feel happy and connected. Sundays are usually my creative and quiet days. I have a few hobbies that I really enjoy. One of my favorite hobbies is painting. I have a small corner in my apartment where I set up my easel and canvases. I squeeze different colors of paint onto my palette. I pick up a brush and start to paint. I paint landscapes, abstract art, whatever I feel like creating. I lose track of time when I paint. It's a very meditative activity for me. Another hobby I have is playing an instrument. I play the guitar I learned to play a few years ago. I sit on my couch with my guitar and practice. I strum chords and try to learn new songs. I follow tutorials online or just play my favorite tunes. Sometimes I sing along, even if my voice isn't perfect. Playing music is a wonderful way to express myself and relax. So, let's quickly review some of the verbs we learned. For daily routines, we have wake up, stretch, get up, brush, wash, make, cook, eat, drink, get dressed, wear, commute, take, work, check, reply, design, collaborate, exercise, run, lift, relax, watch, and read. For weekend activities and hobbies, we learned go hiking, walk, climb, listen, meet, talk, eat, try, paint, create, play, and practice. Wow, that's a lot of verbs, but see how they all fit into our everyday lives. The best way to remember them is to think about your own routine. What do you do every day? What do you do on the weekends? Try to describe your day using these verbs. You can even write it down in the comments below. I would love to read about your daily routines. Practice is key. The more you use these verbs, the more natural they will become. Start small, try to describe your morning routine in English tomorrow. Then describe your evening. Soon, you'll be using these verbs without even thinking about it. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident using these essential English verbs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos just like this one. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!